Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the lightning-fast process of claiming a tax refund using the official HMRC app right from your smartphone. Thousands of people in the UK overpay their income tax due to wrong tax codes or unclaimed work expenses, and using the app is the absolute quickest way to get that cash back into your account. First, download the free HMRC app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, you will need to log in securely using your standard Government Gateway user ID and password. For future visits, you can make this even faster by setting up biometric login like Face ID, your fingerprint, or a simple 6-digit PIN. Once you land on the main homepage dashboard, locate and tap on the section clearly labeled Pay as you earn or PAYE. This screen displays a comprehensive summary of your income tax details for both the current year and previous years. If HMRC calculation systems show that you have overpaid your tax, a prominent green button will automatically appear right on this page, displaying the exact amount of money you are owed. To launch your claim, simply tap that green button and follow the quick on-screen prompts to securely input your bank account number and sort code. Submitting through the app cuts out weeks of waiting for a traditional paper check to arrive in the post. HMRC will process the electronic transaction and wire the refund directly into your bank account, usually within just 5 to 7 working days. While you're in the app, you can also adjust your communication preferences to go completely paperless, meaning the app will instantly send you a push notification the moment future refunds become available. Don't let your money sit with the government a day longer. Grab your phone, log in to the HMRC app right now, and claim your refund today. Subscribe the channel for more videos.